All right, ladies and gentlemen, citizens of Washera County and people in Ring Granite, whoever else is watching. Now that I'm not under threat of prosecution for talking about certain things, I'll tell you what happened. Kelly and Sean Tim started a temporary restraining order against me. So if anybody saw that on CCAP, because I know there was a guy out there telling everybody about it, trying to black my name or whatever, because I said I was harassing them. Simply not true. I was presenting public information, readily available information that anybody could find, in my opinion. And it was no threat to anybody. And they can't even say I'm harassing them because this is just the truth. This is the facts of what happened. The judge found that there was zero reason for it. And essentially, in my opinion, what it was just to buy time. I find it coincidental, and I don't believe in coincidence, that the district attorney waited to make his decision until today after they had asked to have more time to adjust the date on the thing. And speaking of the district attorney, uh, I went to talk to him in regards to why he hasn't arrested Sean Tim Jr. yet for violating his bond. And his reason is because he doesn't feel convinced that he can win in a jury trial in relation to bail jumping, right? Even though I presented evidence to you guys, I presented evidence to the cops, I presented evidence to the district attorney, proving that the man doesn't live at the address that he claims he lives at, which is violating the law, right? Because he falsified that document. Our spineless district attorney, when I said this to his face, and I'll be putting a video up later with the audio from my conversation with the district attorney today, has decided it's not in the county's best interest in the people he represents to get this man off the streets because he doesn't feel like he can win a bail jumping case against the guy. Now, that's ridiculous, right? In my opinion, it's not for you to decide not to take the case because you can't win or because you can't put another notch in your victory column. It's on you to fight for what's right and represent the people and prosecute individuals who are breaking the law in our community, which Sean Tim Jr. in fact did. But he's refusing to do so. And I'll be putting up a video later with our conversation. It's a little long. It's probably going to be roughly 12, 15 minutes. I'll have to cut it down a little bit and get rid of the wait time because I had to sit and wait for him and things of that nature. But I'll be talking with someone later today on how to get that taken care of. But yeah, so they're not going to charge him with bail jumping, even though I proved he lied and committed fraud on his bond paperwork. Oh, because he gets mail at that address and he picks up his mail at that address and he makes it to court and he pays his obligations. So he's not in violation of bail jumping. He can't prove it. And he doesn't trust a jury in Washera County will convict the man of bail jumping. And he's more worried about the serious offenses, which I'm more worried about the seriousness of the child porn charges and all that too, right? For sure. Which is why I was trying to get him off the streets and out of our community. But according to the DA, it's not worth his time. So that's our representation, right? That's the guy who protects the state, right? Protects us, supposed to be, who was elected into that position somehow by somebody. I didn't vote for him. Or he was appointed. I don't know what his deal is, but that's the guy who's supposed to be protecting us and upholding the law and prosecuting people who break the law in our community. And he's refusing to do so because he's not convinced he can win. So in my opinion, that just says how much our county cares about us. And that's all I got for right now. I'll be putting that video up later. Thanks for watching.